Will AI replace software developers? Let's build a ToDo app using ChatGPT and ReactJS. Create your ReactJS project using the command line. If you don't know how to create the project, please find full tutorial on how to create ReactJS application on my channel. Navigate to the project directory and use code command to open the project in Visual Studio. Now let's go to ChatGPT and ask how to make our ToDo application using React. We can see how magically this artificial intelligence technology writes code for us. After the code is generated, copy the code and place it to your ReactJS project into the app.js file. Don't forget to copy all imports. Now let's start the application and see if this works. The application works, but it does not look so nice. Let's ask for some style to make it look better. I generated CSS code into the app.css file. Now we can open the browser on localhost 3000 and see the final ToDo application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.